In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add your YouTube channel link to your Instagram bio. Adding your YouTube channel link to your Instagram bio is crucial for cross-promotion, audience growth, and enhancing brand credibility. To do this, simply head into your YouTube About Your Channel section. You will have to tap on your channel link. Select on Copy Link. When copied to clipboard, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. On this page, select on Links. Tap on Add External Link. In this space on URL, paste in your YouTube channel link. On title, put in YouTube. Press Done and your YouTube channel link will get added to your Instagram bio successfully. Anyone who clicks on that link will directly head to your YouTube channel. That's how easy it is to add YouTube channel link to your bio on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.